KevG weather overview, and we are looking at a major storm tomorrow. This is for basically from mid-afternoon to about Monday morning. Now, we're going to look in a second at what the models are showing in terms of when this is all going to leave, because it's going to be important for the Monday morning commute. Originally, I thought that this storm would be out of here by Monday morning, but now I'm looking at some of the latest models, and I'm not really certain about that. So we're going to do a comparison, and we'll try to figure it out as we go along. But this is a major storm. Make no mistake about it. Yes, there's going to be no snow with it, but this is going to bring strong, potentially damaging winds. This is going to bring very heavy rain. A lot of this rain is going to fall in a 6 to 8 hour period. So if you have problems with basement flooding, or if you have problems with just driving in areas with poor drainage, this is going to make an impact. And if you got to do something tomorrow, try to be home by the evening, because that's when the winds are really going to start to pick up. I think the rain will start in the mid-afternoon hour as we get this storm going. And this is basically a very strong cold front. And what's going to happen is that low pressure is going to develop along that frontal boundary tomorrow morning, and it's really going to intensify in a major way, in a very, very prolific way. And you can see on the satellite picture now, you have clouds streaking in from the Midwest over Kentucky, Virginia, portions of Pennsylvania. We're high and dry right now. In fact, temperatures are really nice outside right now. We've been getting breaks of sun throughout the morning and into the early afternoon, and we're going to manage to easily get up into the mid and upper 50s. And once these clouds roll in tonight, it's going to be quite mild with temperatures in the 40s. But then the fireworks start to happen, as this is a serious storm. This is low pressure developing along this frontal boundary, and this is by about 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. You can see that a line of the first areas of moderate to heavy rain start to move in, and this is going to take its sweet old time here for Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. It'll only get heavier as we go into the evening hours. So if you can do anything, if you need to do anything tomorrow, the basic idea is to do it early in the day. But this is where it gets interesting, because here we are after midnight on Monday on the model, and it's still raining very heavily here along the eastern seaboard. And this is by 7 o'clock Monday morning, and this has got me a little concerned now, because the earlier model runs were supposed to have this storm out of here by the morning rush, but that doesn't appear to be the case, as we could be dealing with strong winds and heavy rain right along the coast for the Monday morning commute, and those winds stay strong into Monday afternoon, Monday night, as this storm pulls away. Now, off of the GFS model, which is more of a long-range model, the NAM was the short range, but the GFS, the long range, is showing a little bit basically of the same scenario. This is 2 o'clock in the morning on Monday. The rain is coming down hard and heavy with those strong, potentially damaging winds. And this is by 7 a.m., and we really haven't made much progress here. This front has slowed down on the models, it looks like, and it's going to be something to watch. So when you monitor your local forecast tomorrow, that's going to be the telltale sign. What happens in the Monday morning commute? Because it looks to me like the models are slowing down the eventual exit of this front. And then after that, it's high and dry for the rest of the week. High pressure is in control. I think we'll see another storm by the time we get into next Sunday, with rain developing along the coast again. But that remains to be seen. Right now, we have more pressing short-term issues. Now, for today, we're in the 50s, maybe near 60 with enough sunshine. And then tomorrow, we're just cloudy as we wait for the rain to move in, and that rain is going to become heavy at times. But look at the temperatures for tomorrow. It's sort of ironic that we're going to be in this rainy scenario, and our temperatures are going to be in the low 60s. Some areas near Philadelphia, Atlantic City, are going to be flirting with 65, but a windswept heavy rain, no doubt. And then for Monday, lingering rain in the morning, it looks like, and strong winds, and then highs coming down with northwesterly winds instead of southerly winds. We'll have highs around 45. And then Tuesday, right around 44, which is basically, a degree or two from where we should be this time of year. And then Wednesday, looking ahead, 43. So definitely a chilly week overall. Back to, lots of sunshine once we get rid of the front. And the same thing for Thursday, with highs around the mid-40s. But this is a major storm tomorrow. There's just no question about it. With the amount of rain and the amount of wind happening in such a relatively short amount of time, it's going to have a big impact. Hopefully there won't be as many people on the roads, but if you're on the road tomorrow night, especially after the sun goes down, it's really going to get crazy with the wind and the rain. And you can see gusts up to 60 miles an hour along the coast. And areas that are prone to flooding will see flooding, especially on the roads tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night.